Hello, awesome student! Today we will learn how to pronounce the two sound in English word. Here are the things we are going to learn in our class. There are two ways to say two in English. The first one is two as in thing, and second one is two as in father. Now let's practice. Thing, thing. Thanks, thanks. Throw, throw. Thief, thief. Bad, bad. Father, father. Mother, mother. Together, together. There, there. Weather, weather. Breathe, breathe. Also, you're doing great. Keep practicing your pronunciation. Thank you for participating in today's lesson. See you next time.